Lord, you're my everything. You're God over everything. Mo Jimmy Nyuma, order your way. My one and only true love is you. I give it all to you. Mo Jimmy Nyuma.
Good evening and welcome to the Christian Entertainment Review Show here on GNTV. And if you're watching us on Facebook, this is GNTV Ghana Network Facebook page or Christian Entertainment Review Facebook page. You're welcome. We do this every Saturday from 5:15 to 7 p.m. And today is the day, the biggest night in music in Ghana. We're going to award all those who've done well the previous year in Ghanaian music. And we're going to take our take. We're going to talk about the expectations for the night, MC for the night, gospel artist of the year who is going to win. There's been a lot of controversy on Facebook. Some say Joe Betel, some say Diana Hamilton. You forgot to like I said before, Joyce Blessing. So we're going to have the discussion on all of this. Gospel song of the year. It looks like probably is being taken out of the race. We're going to discuss that. Artist of the decade. We have two gospel representatives in there. We're going to discuss that. Artist of the decade and artist of the year. We have one gospel guy there. We're going to discuss that. And all other places we have gospel reps there. We're going to discuss that, including MCs for the night, expectation, fashion, everything. I'm going to have my panel members and we're going to discuss VGMA in full. And that's what we're going to do from now to 7 p.m. And after 7 p.m., the team is going to sit down. The Cold Facts team is going to sit down. They're going to have a elaborate discussion on the VGMA, who wins what, and all. At that point, you know who will win what, you know what somebody's saying, and all of that. They're going to discuss all of that on GNTV. So from now to tomorrow morning, this stage is going to be VGMAs, yes. So stay with us as we do this. My name is Nino and I do this every Saturday. That she's not well, so get well soon. And Edith will bring you Genius. This time today we're going to do the Genius with Danlati. They're going to do some predictions for the VGMAs. And I'm going to start the show with Alright. But I guess before it's a song to order of this. It's going to be alright. Whatever the case. Don't you cry, so it's going to be alright. So this is Alright by Akese, and it's to all gospel nominees at the VGMAs tonight.
It's gonna be alright, everybody. Don't you cry, brother man, dry your teary eyes. Don't you know God is by your side? From side to side. Through the fire, He will be there. Through the storm, God will be there. Through the rain, God will be there. Take your burden to the Lord in prayer. Lay them all down and leave them. Come on. Don't you cry. Every little thing's gonna be alright. Don't you cry. Oh Lord. Every little thing's will be alright. Don't you cry. Worry no more. Every little thing.
Have the discussion. We're going to go back to last year, some of the gospel performances that happened last year. We're going to project this evening and see if we can get an improvement or something else in our performances. And they say we have one slot. Is it true or not? We're going to have all of this discussion here, and I have experienced people here with me, people who followed the VGMAs for years, people who have their artists updated in the VGMAs. I'm going to have a discussion on this. And remember, I told you earlier on that when you go on Facebook, there's a discussion. Joe Metal died Hamilton, and somebody is saying that someone is Man City, someone is Liverpool, somebody is saying so what is NDC, what is MPP. I mean, we're going to discuss, and I'll push my partner my best to tell me who's going to win. I know one person will choose somebody, so that person will be out. And other two will give you objective views today on the show. So I'm going to start with my brother and friend, a fellow artist manager, and a soldier in the industry, the only soldier in the gospel industry, and a great guy. He manages one of the greatest artists in Ghana. You know, I say this from the album launch of Papa Christy. If you were there, you understand what I'm saying. And he's a great guy. He's a great guy. Kwame Owusu-Dankwa is a manager for Papa Christy. Kwame,
big man.
you're welcome.
Charlie, this is your colleague.
But you never know the biggest gospel artist. Oh, you don't know.
Oh, it's by grace, you know. Sometimes you ask yourself, Charlie, who am I? You know that. It's God.
It's God.
Yeah.
It's perfect. So that's Kwame Owusu-Dankwa, manager for Papa Christy. Next to Kwame Owusu-Dankwa is the first time he's been on the show. So if I met that, you know, forgive me. Asuwome, he's a blogger, right?
Asiwome
is a blogger, and he's a promoter on Facebook too. If you see him, he promotes a lot of good stuff on Facebook. Asiwome, you're welcome.
Thank you, boss.
Yes, you're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. He's going to help us do some predictions and some discussions today on the show. And next to him is the researcher, the only music researcher we have in the whole of Ghana, and the CEO of Remedy Entertainment. All credible award schemes. See this guy for music data.
Thank you.
Some go into the internet already. Everybody, this guy is internet. When you say, when was this released? He'll give you to you right now. And he's the tallest guy in the industry.
The last time I checked, okay.
You're the tallest guy in the industry.
Yeah, Kumsi is taller than me.
Kumsi is taller than you.
Yeah.
So you're the tallest.
I think
George
the
Queen is taller
last
than
time we
you.
checked. No, I'm taller than George. I'm taller than Samika, my boss.
You're taller than
Samiba.
Samiba.
Yeah, I'm taller than him.
Oh, there you're tall.
Oh, true. I'm taller than George. I'm taller than Sami.
There you're tall.
Yeah, I'm tall. No, it's because I'm fat.
So you don't see
You don't see my.
Yeah, but you're tall.
Oh, you are fat.
But you're the same association with that.
It looks like they're in the same category.
Yeah,
We need to vote for them.
Yeah, the same category with the president. So people are really this.
Yes.
Charlie, I walk up
He
that
said that
line.
it doesn't have a neck.
But you know, this guy, you didn't add one accolade.
Okay.
He's a confusion guy.
It's a confusing guy.
You as the program goes on,
I'll see the
you
confusion.
see it.
How do you mean? Is it controversial or Confucianist?
It's a Confucianist.
So the WhatsApp line is 050-143-2820. And I believe you know what to expect this video on the show. And the last 5-10 minutes, I'm going to take your phone calls and we'll have a discussion. I believe those who are doing their makeup and watching us, those who want to watch from their house are assured of PDS, or charge your phone so that you can follow on Facebook where PDS visits you. Whatever the case. After the show, there's a discussion on GNTV. You follow our discussion through to VGMA is over. Charlie, you're welcome, guys.
Thanks.
Okay, so let's start.
Thank you. Akasi Bimpon's manager.
My name is Ninoy.
Nino.
I'm the host of the show.
The host of the show.
You're okay now?
Yes, very much okay.
We are very alright.
You're very alright. So let me start. No, I'll start with. Let me start with Kwame. Kwame, for the past 3 or 4 years, even to 5 years, we've always have one slot. Gospel, the gospel industry has always one gospel artist performed on the day of the event. I think 3 years ago it was Joe Metal. 2 years ago it was Joe Metal. This year is Dinah.
Yeah.
I hear.
And I think
Not confirmed results.
4 years ago it was Gospel of Stars.
Yeah, 4 years ago. Yeah, it was Nasi Slot and
yes,
David
Was
Gospel.
it 4 years or 2 years?
No.
That was 4 years.
No.
Wasn't
Last year was Joe. 2 years ago was Gospel of
Gospel of
Stars.
Stars.
3 years ago was Joe Metal.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I remember my artist was in there.
You are taking Oh yeah,
was part of it. She did very, very true.
But man, Nasi did well in
Is it?
bringing everybody together.
Are you
So
going to
why
sing
do you
out in
think?
Belache?
I'm going to do
I mean, they all did well.
They all did
Yes,
well,
I mean, and we're all surprised.
but you know, they all did well, but they were all known
No.
or established artists. Mabel was
No, but I mean, Kobe Mate was there. Kobe Mate is not established.
Okay, well, but he has been around.
K-Skate was there.
Okay.
Me? Ask me a question.
So the question is,
someone is a confusion.
is there a confusion?
He's bringing a confusion.
So my question is, do you think we are not doing something right? Because when you look at the other genres, when you look at dancehall, Samini is there, Stonebwoy is there, Shatta is there. When you look at High Life, King Promise is there, Kwesi, Pam Yuji is there, Kiddy is there. You know, when you look at all the other genres, they are well represented. Are we not doing something right?
Well, we are doing something right, and I would say that, you know, that was how it was in years back, okay, where they've always had a slot for gospel. The reason being that gospel has always been considered as a genre of music, and that is where the problem has been coming from. You know, I've been saying this all these while, that once we see it as, you know, a genre, okay, to represent gospel to this person, okay, until we come to the realization that there's a lot in gospel and there are so many genres in this genre, it will always be like this. For this year in particular, I'm not going to blame Charterhouse because personally, you know, my artist was contacted, as well as Joe Metal. I know Joe Metal was also contacted, and I think that they would have loved to have all these people on board, but for some reasons, both Joe and Obapa are not in town. For that matter, they have settled on Dinah. But like, they themselves do not know. There could be surprises. For instance, you know, with the experience, Kessie and Gifty was built, but later we had some others also coming and all that. So I mean,
Pastor Kofa.
Yeah, Pastor Kofa and all that coming to, you know.
The experience, I think, was only a Kessie. It was later on Gifty.
Gifty, yes, because. I'm
using nominees.
Yeah. And Obapa was supposed to be there, and then later, yes, I had to tell them that she wasn't around and all that. So yes, I mean, who knows? Probably tonight we're gonna see some
surprises.
Yes, some surprises and all that. But I think that it's a fair deal.
It's a fair
deal. Because not every genre is being represented. You know. Other than that, these traditionalists will also say Kiswa, the Wulomos, and also because they also do traditional music and all that.
So we should be happy they gave us one slot.
I mean, like, not happy, but you know, it's not bad. At least half a loaf, half a loaf is better than none. None, yeah. I think.
Okay, I see what man. You see, in 2011, Florence Obinim, Princess Ifeoma, Cecilia Mafo, and No Tribe performed. In 2012, Kwesi Otin and Lord Kenya, they did a duet. In 2014, Sonny Badu, OJ, and C.D. Thompson.
Don't add Lord Kenya to that because he was.
Okay,
which year was it?
2012. Kwesi Otin and did Lord Kenya.
2012. 7 years, yeah. He was a gospel
he started the show. He started the show with Kwesi Otin. I remember
Lord Kenya.
So which one did he come to perform all his?
No, that was not 2012.
No, 7 years ago now.
2014 was Sonny Badu, OJ, and Cindy Thompson.
Yeah.
You see, and from 2014, the next year, which was 2015, you know, it started coming to one. So after 2014, what happened? Are we, you know, I'll ask the same question. Did we get something wrong? Did we not impress organizers, the gospel sector?
Like Kwame said, I think that the misconception that gospel music is just a soul genre that we can't get other genres from is basically an issue. As for us to think that gospel is not doing much, being the reason why the numbers are now decreasing, will be unfair to the gospel fraternity. I think that we are doing well, and to every genre, I think that there's always room for improvement. Things are even getting better, whereas we should rather be advocating that they look at the genre differently, because when we mention gospel, for instance, we have reggae gospel, so we should be having slots at the reggae dancehall category. When we say high life, we have gospel in there. We should be having slots in there.
You say Afropop, there's gospel there.
There's gospel there. So I think that we should now rather be advocating that they should look at gospel very well. Not scrapping it. It's a category on its own, but let's begin to look at it differently. That we can get other genres from the gospel industry to adapt to the various. Then if we are able to do this very well over a period of time, I think the numbers will increase.
The numbers will increase.
So sometimes I'll blame us partly How come we are not advocating for this?
The
So that they get to understand that the gospel is just beyond that small category they think it is.
As well, man, I think we have. In times past, we have. And we've talked about the fact that they need to, like, open up that genre in itself. But, like, I'll quote George Quay. Yes, he has said that, every artist is one way tagged to a particular, genre of music, such that even when you deviate, even when you go off board, even when you choose to do something else, you are still, like, tagged to what you are known to do. For instance, Akese is known to be a gospel musician, and for that matter, no matter the kind of reggae he sings, he's a gospel musician.
Oh, so that's why Shatter's my level is at highlight.
That
He was nominated for reggae dancehall.
yes.
So
That's-
then
that's
we
why-
start
that's-
asking questions such as, okay, we have Stonebwoy and Shatter as dancehall artists, but now we have their songs being nominated for other
But the way it
categories.
comes to
This is-
reggae dancehall artists, they are there.
they are
They are there.
see,
So that, just like we have gospel and they are there.
Okay, so they
What
should
about
spread
other
their songs?
Exactly.
Okay.
If
I-
that
I-
is the
I asked
if
this
that's the
question.
explanation
Yes,
is giving you,
yes,
then
that's what it
they
is.
have always
I asked-
fallen short of it.
I again asked this question that, so how come that some of these people, like some of these gospel musicians, like I was so emphatic about Akese Bempong that I think that one of these days you're gonna see Akese Bempong as a reggae dancehall artist of the year in as a nominee. And then he told me that that notwithstanding, there are other secular musicians who also sing gospel. So should they also nominate them in the gospel
gospel
category?
category.
For instance, he was saying that this song,
Like CCT.
Wara Wara Wara, and it's like it looks more gospel, and all the be a crime mommy, So he was asking that, so should they also nominate such songs in the gospel category?
So it's a big discussion. There's a big discussion we have to open up. Dalati, what's your views on that?
Yes, Bosh. Thank you so much for this question. Why are you laughing?
Oh, music, go ahead.
Okay, good. Thank you once again.
Me just before he comes in, Dalate did research for Charterhouse. When the whole nominations was out, then he called me and asked him that, who wrote Obape's Watching song? then I told him who did. He said, I think that should have nominated. I said, look at him.
You see, sometimes being a research person, what I do is to provide the board with the data. I mean, songs released from 1st January to 31st of December. So I'll just give them the list, and then they would. Sometimes I categorize them. Yes. Sometimes they add, they subtract. So I give them that. So, well, you don't know. Akese Bempong, I've always been part of my reggae song. Even this year, it was part of my reggae song.
Submitted to the board.
You want me to say this?
No, you're saying that. So which one? No weed.
Yeah, no weed. I submitted no weed. It's a song. Even if I'm not his manager, which I am not, I will still pick a form as a music person, as a industry player, and then file for him. I have the right
For reggae song.
Yes, I have the right, because I see him a song like No Weed, like this, beautiful song. If we have reggae dancehall, and we have Stonebwoy Shatawale doing Afro, we are calling it reggae because, or we are calling it dancehall because we don't have a lot of reggae songs or dancehall songs to be nominated. I think you're not being fair to other people doing, especially the gospel artists doing reggae, because Akese Bempong is doing a great reggae songs. Nat Abbey is one great gospel artist, but yes, you understand. When we go deeper, people do reference reggae, proper reggae, that those people should be included. But what do we see? Nothing. Well, but what I'll say is the focus shouldn't be on only
So it's what you are saying.
performances. We shouldn't just look at the performances. We should look at the inclusion of gospel artists, the portion in which we can let's say with the likes of high life, reggae, and then Afro. When we had to weigh before we had gospel album.
Yeah.
Now where is it?
You people took it off.
Oh, you should say we people. So now we don't have gospel album.
Yeah, we don't have gospel album.
It is off. It has been scrapped because the board says they don't have much gospel albums in town. I can tell you, we have a lot.
They have a lot. Yeah.
You getting me?
A lot.
And also, considering, look at the gospel, look at the artist of the year. We have only Joe Metal.
Yeah.
Look at the female vocalist. We have only Dinah Hamilton. Look at
vocal.
male vocalist. We have only Luigi McLean.
Yeah.
Look at even video. We don't have any gospel there.
Yeah. Group of the year.
Group of the year. We don't have any gospel. And we have best only one. And when you look at there's a new category, best African collaboration.
Yeah.
There's no gospel artist
And I'm
there.
shocked.
Yes.
Because
Celestine Donko, Bigger, and
Steve Crown.
Steve. Thank
You
you,
are bigger.
thank you. That song should have been there. You understand? So let's look at gospel's inclusion in the VGMA, not just the performance.
So we should look at gospel. So in that case, we thought people are
I
discussing now.
can tell
think
you.
of the gospel song, that category, and spread. So for instance, Obape's we see him as highlight. We should put it in highlights of the day.
No. What I'm trying to say is, when we look at the artist of the year, why do we have only one gospel song? Knowing very well that we had more than Joe Metal doing very well under the year in review.
No, you should be telling us why.
Oh no, I am here as Dan Latu.
I think that.
Nino, I'm here as Dan Latu.
Okay, so Dalate, why do we have only one gospels?
Oh, call Judge P.
That's called Judge.
Yeah.
Okay, my
And
people are called Judge.
good. So moving forward, on record, how many gospel artists, up and coming or emerging artists, do you see at the unsung category?
No, not even if a Grace who is doing so well.
See, for the past, this is the fifth year unsung.
Even new artists of the year.
Good. This year, did you get any gospel artists? Last year, did you get any new gospel artists?
But no gospel. I don't remember any gospel.
is it that they are
No,
not fighting?
but you see, based on their
But, you see, Dalate said a point. He said, for instance, he said Koda didn't file, but Koda was nominated.
Yeah.
You understand?
you should there's a discussion. We see it off air. You don't bring it.
No, I mean,
on
like,
air.
no, I mean, let's
No, but
say it.
some people didn't file, but they're nominated.
Yeah, they're nominated. And yes. You see, they didn't file.
This is the
Uh-huh.
fact. This is the fact.
But the song
So
didn't.
if you identify
But
the people, for instance, Efe Grace, there was a lot of noise about her last year.
yeah,
She did great,
Yes,
great song.
yes, I agree.
That's rendition. You know,
Yeah, I agree.
You went, why? So why is she not a new artist of the year? You see,
Efe, per the category definition, wouldn't qualify for new artists, but maybe
why would she
unsung.
qualify for a new artist?
Oh, does she have any popular song out?
Yeah, your whole
Yes,
name
she did the rendition of-
that song.
Well, yeah.
I know.
But, and then if it's not, an artist like
That's
Luigi
it. I
McLean,
hear that, yeah.
okay, Luigi McLean, based on the fact that he has been nominated before on Joe Metals, that yes. But when you look at it, unsung new artists, they don't favor the gospel artists.
They don't favor the gospel.
Because when you go deeper, yeah, this lady Fafa Santua is doing well. This lady, what's her name? Ruth is doing well. Ruth AJ is doing well. There's one lady, beautiful lady. What's her name, brother? Lady Anne.
Yeah,
Lady Anne is doing well. You have a lot of
You're really a
researcher. Oh, me I go deep. Me I go to voter. I go to order before it was 10. Now 16 regions.
Because
I go there.
if the person is not in the gospel, you don't.
You didn't do.
Yes.
Then give it to
He's
me.
doing-
Okay, so that's it. Okay,
Okay, before we go on, this reggae dancehall categories, I'm thinking that maybe it's just a consolation for the gospel fraternity. Maybe it's an afterthought. So these categories that have been added over the period. Why am I saying this? When you look at the gospel dancehall, reggae dancehall song of the year, we have Dagomba Girl. We have
By who?
Oba. Dagomba Girl by
Makasio.
Makasio.
Okay.
Oba Basamini, Gringo Shatawale, Top Skanka by Stoneboy. Only 4 nominations.
Songs, only 4 songs.
So they should have put in no weed.
No weed.
At least.
I need no
At
weed.
least. And then if that is the problem, if the definition of gospel songs being tagged as gospel is the problem, then what about artists? Are you getting me?
Yeah, I'm getting
Artist, at least I can say it's an artist.
But it's in gospel artists.
Yes, but you see,
It's a gospel artist.
No, I believe with Akasi being
I'm
gospel.
still talking about reggae dancehall categories.
No, but he's not. Akasi is not a reggae dancehall
It's a
artist.
gospel artist.
The gospel artist.
Yeah, who does reggae?
Who does reggae dancehall?
So his song should have been reggae dance also.
Yes.
Because I was coming to the point that his song is not a gospel song already. but he's in gospel artist.
Because-
But when you look vis-a-vis, everyone who is in gospel artist has a song in gospel song.
No, that is also not part of the criteria.
Is reggae dance or not a genre?
You see, I'm coming. It is. I'm coming.
And so-
they think that probably Akese.
It's a genre,
not
so
really
I guess
well.
it can.
Yeah,
He's an
not doing
artist.
so well in terms of producing
it's
songs.
even-
but he's very visible on stage. He's doing well with
His stage.
because we all attest that Akese doesn't do only his songs.
Yeah.
He does other songs.
See,
from other
and
artists
because Akese is normally not in the news, Akese is not too loud, so people don't really talk about.
Akese
But as an
goes
artist,
behind by the neck and
but as
starts
an artist,
listening to
as
him.
an artist, he's doing very very well with performances, with everything. You see, he can be nominated as the gospel artist,
Yeah.
but not gospel song, because the song probably
So
be.
no, we didn't make that way
Isn't it?
straight to you.
Oh,
No,
to me,
it's
to me.
artist.
You
Oh,
know we
if-
didn't make-
oh, come on. I know no weed. It a beautiful song. You understand? But maybe when the board also sits down, they will go like, okay, and don't also forget that there's a cutoff point.
There is a cut-off point.
Yes.
You see,
And that
this
is.
Let's we don't have much time, so we'll come back to the discussion. We'll let this discussion another time. But I want us to also discuss the Lifetime Achievement Award. You remember some months back, I think in January or so, on this show, I brought Dan Latte, I brought Kwesi Enes, and I brought Nia Itiamon. Nia Itiamon was then a member of the VGMA board. And I gave you some statistics, and I told him we put it to him that no gospel artist has won the Lifetime Achievement Award before, and he agreed on the show. He said, "Oh, the board has heard it; they will consider it." By God's grace, two gospel artists, are going to be honored this evening.
Yeah.
Reverend Mary Gansa and Professor Kofi Abraham are going to be honored this evening, and so did our cry yield some results?
It did. What I normally say is the Charterhouse or the VGMA board is a listening board. They do listen to, people out there, because at the end of the day, they're going to patronize the event. So if they raise their concerns and you don't listen to them, moving forward, they will also be fed up and then give up. So I think they put in 2 gospel acts on it this year is a positive response. And like we are pushing the agenda of having more than one gospel artist perform on the main night, then we might also go back to when we had about 2-3
hold
people.
on. I have the main campaigner of this. Frankie Five, good evening. Frankie Five, good evening.
Yes, good evening.
Frankie Five, how are you?
Yes, I'm fine, boss.
Boss, did our campaign yield results?
By God's grace, to God be the glory.
So aside the media cry, did you present a petition to them? Did they contact you for anything? Or you're just there, you just heard this?
No, after the turnout, nobody contacted me, but I had 1 or 2 of the board members called me and told me I should have come to them and all that. But I also told them that, well, this is my means of, addressing my people and also reaching out to the gospel people through my show and on my social media. And I got people supporting it, and I think it's the right cause. And by the grace of God, they've been a listening board. I'm very appreciative of what they've done for honoring 2 gospel legends. This is historic in Ghana. So I'm very happy about that. I'm a very, very happy man this year.
But Fagi, are you okay with the 2? Because when we interviewed you on this show, you mentioned some other names. I know Professor Kofi Abraham was there, but are you okay with the 2 names?
Well, I'm quite okay because Dr. Mary Gansa brings in the gender issue. I would have loved for it to go for Adam Riku and
Professor Kofi Abraham.
Professor Kofi Abraham. However, the board I inquired and they categorically told me that it was a gender issue.
A gender issue.
And they would have to consider a legend who is also a female, so that will be fair.
Okay, we are happy you're happy, and congratulations to you. I mean, we have to congratulate you.
But you guys all supported it, so congratulations to all of us.
Alright, congratulations, Frankie. So we'll talk after VJVs. Probably next week you come to the studio, we'll talk about it. But Alate wants to ask you something. Hold on, please.
Frank, now you're a legend.
Who is that?
Dalate.
It's a prophet.
Oh,
man.
Dalate.
Frankie, you're a legend, man.
I'm not not a legend, I beg you.
But we'll see you tomorrow.
Because seriously, some 10 years, some 20 years to come, we will all refer
to Frankie Five.
To Frankie Five.
Because he started
the agenda.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
if I call him a legend,
So Frankie, the gospel industry is proud of you.
in the making.
The gospel industry is proud of you.
Sure,
Thank you
sure,
very much, my brother.
Thank you, my brother. Take care.
Right. So what do you think? Was it a good campaign?
It was a good one.
Are the names also?
It's a good one. It's a very good one. We're hoping that will be sustained over the period. It will not be like, okay, in their 20th year anniversary, these two people are honored and that ends it.
That ends it.
So as the campaign has started, let's continue to increase momentum as the year goes by, so that at least we have a slot in there, because we are doing a lot. We are doing a lot, and we need to be recognized for that.
Kwame, you know, when we were having this discussion on Facebook, on Frankie's show, on my show, Mary Gansa's name didn't come up, and I was surprised to even see her name. You know, even though I know she's now 40 years, you know, and all of that. Are you also surprised as I am?
For me, no, because you know I have worked with Mary Gansa before,
Yeah.
and then she's the mother. She's the umbrella of all female gospel musicians in Ghana.
She's the patron of the female gospel
You see,
musicians.
one thing about today's youth, or one thing about we, the upcoming, like, you know, like we is that. Most of us didn't get to meet Mary Gansa. So now, even her songs, some of us think that, oh, these are songs sung in churches and that I think they are there like the hymns and all that. But most of the songs we sing in churches are songs written and done by Mary Gansa.
Yeah. True.
They don't know Mary Gansa. And for me, it's a plus, and it's a, you know, it's something huge for them to realize that indeed our backing, as they used to, you know, like our backing has yielded fruit, and then they should also bow their heads in shame that it took them 20 years to realize that gospel musicians have people who are 30, 40, 35 years in the industry and need to be recommended. It's a plus for us. And they're giving us two.
They are giving us two.
You know, next year we want to.
We'll back again. Yes.
Let me play the devil's advocate.
Okay.
Do they have limitation cutoff point for the numbers?
I think 10 years ago they did more than one.
Yeah.
But after that they've been doing one.
Yeah. And this time they're doing three. Giving gospel two.
Giving gospel two. So are we happy?
I hope that
I just wanted to say if
I hope
beyond
that Prof and Mary are not giving their plaques or citations backstage.
Oh no!
Don't be giving us
not done that way.
It's not that way. Don't be giving us.
No, I hope so. So that
don't
only
give us
Mr. Adolfo will be giving the one. You know what happens at BET?
Yeah, happens
No,
at
somehow
BET, but this one is
backstage.
lifetime achievement.
Okay.
But I think that Adolfo was honored through music, lifetime achievement.
Yeah, and I think Kofi Abraham too.
And VGM is also going to honor him again. And I think that,
It's a step in this right now.
It's a step in his life. So we are grateful, even though we wanted the Alsapos and the other way crew. Still, Reverend Mary Gansa is a mother to all of us, and we are proud that she's part. And Professor Kofi Abraham, a lot of people don't know him, but he really is one of the pioneers of gospel music in Ghana. He's done so much for the gospel industry. So, Prof, wherever you are, congratulations. And Reverend Mary Gansa, you know, you have to come on my show, you know. Congratulations, Reverend.
Just contact now, bring it. I'll hold a hand and bring it to the show.
Reverend, congratulations. to you.
But for me, I wasn't surprised when I saw her name, because when you look at the gospel fraternity, the ladies who have really done well, I think she so far she stands.
Yeah. I think we can mention Stella Seal too.
Yes,
Stella Seal, Helena Rabos,
But daughters
is like 30 years.
Yeah.
So when you honor daughters,
You have to honor
then you have to
Lumba.
honor Lumba. But they all came the same year, Kojoentry. Whilst we have people who have done more than
Okay, so let's go to the discussion in town. The discussion in town is not about gospel song. The discussion in town is about gospel act. And miraculously, they've done the shortlisting to only two, Joe Bettel and Dinah Hamilton. And someone said someone's favorite is Joe and the people's favorite is Dinah. I mean, Dan,
yes, boss.
who do you think is going to win and why?
With VGMA, all things are possible.
I think that it would be unfair to streamline that to only 2 people. Let's talk about all of them.
Okay, let's talk about it. We are talking
Yeah,
about all of
yeah.
them because Obapa is there.
That is why I said with Benjamin, all things are possible. Yeah, you see, with Joe and Dinah, yeah, obviously these are the 2 that will come top of. Obapa did very well, especially even with her song. For Obapa to win an award, I think I'd rather wish the song than as an artist.
Okay.
So with the gospel
I mean,
artist,
Obapa as an artist has not done so much.
no, she did, but her song did better than she the artist.
Okay.
Yes. Oh yeah. The song. I don't know who doesn't know Wasuemi.
Yeah.
The song is all over. If we are to nominate now, the song should be part of most popular song. You getting me? But still, the artist, as in Obapa, she's doing well, but not that. Let's say on top of people's mind that would say, okay, she should be here or there. So, like Joe Metal and then Dana Hamilton. With the artist, I'll go for Joe Metal.
You go for Joe Metal.
Yes, I'll go for Joe Metal.
Why?
Why? Because I believe per the category definition, Joe Metal has the audience appeal. He being like the, how do you call it, the title holder for that category for like 2 years.
His manager said, when you take this, it will be hat trick.
Yeah, hat-trick. Yeah.
So then he'll be the Pele.
So I wouldn't be surprised. Joe,
No, but the other people, let's be fair, there's Joyce Blessing.
Oh, being
Obapa.
fair doesn't mean
There's
you,
Koda.
you know. Yeah, Koda also, the song did well than the artist.
himself. But
Yeah.
no, so Joyce Blessing.
Joyce, both the artist and the song did very well.
So why not put
But
Joyce Blessing?
Joyce has not been active in campaigning for vote, and Joyce has is a bit relaxed. Even
No, but Joe being active in campaigning for vote.
I think that with all those nominated, I don't see anyone who has been very
Very active in
None
campaigning
of
for
them,
vote.
not even me.
no, but you see,
Campaigning for vote.
Joe, some people do the vote back door, but you wouldn't see. And Joe, even if Joe doesn't vote and all that,
He has people who vote.
Joe wouldn't go to the awards tonight and wouldn't win anything.
So you think Joe will take out?
Joe will win an award today.
Okay, so
Then Hamilton win an award today.
okay, wait, but Akesito is there.
He's
No,
talking-
I guess
he's
it-
talking from, are you
no.
talking from a VJMA perspective?
He's talking as the latte.
Okay,
I'm
Talking
talking as the
about
latte.
artist, the gospel artist of the year.
Yeah, we're talking about
Yes.
Yeah.
No, wait, no disrespect. Akese is my man. We met yesterday. It is Friday.
Friday.
And we met yesterday.
And Monday, we
Akese is my man.
met on Monday.
And we met last Monday.
Monday.
Yeah. But when you look at the names there,
Akesito.
when I'm to rank or rate them, he will be the last.
He'll be the last. Okay,
Yes.
thank you very much.
Because the audience appeal, he will be the lowest. Looking at the people there.
Okay, thank you
He'll be
very
the
much.
lowest.
Azome, your views.
If I look at that particular category, we have Joyce Blessing, Dinah, Akese, Obapa, Joe Metal, Koda. As an artist, and what they have done over the last year period, I think Joyce Blessing stands tall.
You think Joyce Blessing stands?
Yes,
Why?
because the Dinah Joe Metal campaign we are doing. Pick Dinah for instance. You're only hearing of Dinah because of the song he brought up.
The experience.
Which one?
Monio.
Inshanche or Monio?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Beyond that, what else?
Come on, she did a lot of
Concept.
performance.
And
Because
her album too is part of the album of the year.
Yes,
I believe.
Comparably to Joyce Blessing over the
Joyce
same
Blessing
year
did, I
period.
swear, we did the
You see, I say Joyce Blessing even deserves to be part of Artist of the Year. But they didn't put her
Over
there.
that period. I don't know why
So
we
you
are
think-
letting.
so you think you
now
pick-
it has
you-
become.
you pick Joyce Blessing ahead of-
If that is it, then we should be looking
You should
at
pick
Joyce
Joyce
Blessing.
Okay.
Yeah, I will,
You get me?
in a way,
If-
I was
that's-
agree.
that's-
Oh, then we should be looking at Joyce Blessing, not even Dinah.
Okay, perfect point. Perfect point.
Okay, so
Kwame.
let me say that.
Aside of Papa.
Yeah, first of all, who are you taking care
No, you shouldn't take Obama
Okay,
out.
who do you think is going to
Okay, so first of all, let me congratulate all of them because they have all done well. looking at the fact that yes, it's been very tough, and then there's been artists, you know, a number of them releasing and all that. These are the 6 people that the board thinks that they have done extremely well and needs to be recommended. I think that one, Joe Metal has an upper hand.
Yes.
On the
Why?
gospel artists. Okay.
Yes, why am I saying this? Because Joe Metal in years back has been the front liner in terms of gospel music in Ghana. I'm not going to shy away from that. And for his name to be as the artist of the year, it means that when they look at all the gospel artists, when they look at the gospel fraternity, they think that Joe
That's our best
is
vote.
the best
We
to be
give
there.
you-
And it's an artist of the decade too.
And so
Yes.
that notwithstanding, the reason why I'm saying this is that one, the board has a say. Likewise, the academy, as well as the third one being not the public, being money.
I mean, you respond.
No, I mean
That's funny.
when they come back to say that, oh, the public says this man won, and sometimes I just laugh. Who is the public? The only credible elections that we would say was decided by the public is when each person has a vote.
Yeah.
Okay, but here's the case: someone can, like I read a couple of days back, an artist sat with others and spent 50,000 to vote.
Yeah, I heard that.
I mean, it tells you that it's money that is what
That's the
that,
the game.
that is winning the awards and not the populace.
So you
not
think everybody
And,
should have one vote?
and even
Exactly.
even
For
winning
the
the
award to
award,
be
the
credible.
money you get is not up to 50,000.
Yeah.
you see, that is why I
but
believe
the
the thing
pride.
that.
But is that
Yeah,
15,000
I'm coming.
bragging
No,
rights.
listen.
Is that
That's another question.
15,000?
Listen, whether it is true or not, let us not run away from the fact that monies are being pushed into these awards, and one way or the other, award schemes in Ghana are exploiting musicians.
Yes, that is true.
Okay, so
and,
someone
and,
saying-
and you
about-
get it back too. Because when you win an award, I know some artists, the moment you win an award, their price increases.
Oh.
Yeah. Increase your price.
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to
My
come
artist,
back.
I'm coming.
I'm going to come back. Someone is saying, hi, this is Nana Kwame from New Achimota. I'm surprised Patience Nyako didn't get on. Patience Nyako's song is out of the category here. Yes. So we're going to go to artists of the decade. We have Nasi and No Tribe. And we have Joe Metal today. We're going to discuss artists of the decade. And we will come back to discuss what they are all expecting tonight from the gospel performances. We just heard that Gibbs Yosei to will be performing tonight. So
And you heard from who or where?
confirmed reports.
Confirmed, yes.
Confirmed.
Oh,
reports.
I see.
Deep through
I
source.
just had the information from on my
Okay, so now we have two gospel artists.
Yes,
So, like I said, we may never know.
and then Press Gifty, yes.
Yeah.
But you don't know. Maybe the one legend
and I'm also having a feeling
That-
that's a legend.
a gospel
Gospel
legend.
Yes.
Is also going to
Yes.
Okay.
And my
But you
instinct
are-
is that
what's the
it's-
instinct?
Master,
So, do you have a dream?
Master, don't.
No, you don't have a feeling. You know.
Don't go and plan with them and come and say.
Come and say you have a
feeling.
feeling.
Please.
You have planned it already. You know that thing already.
Just tell us that as soon as he's performing.
performing,
And
that's
stop
all.
feeling. Stop feeling this.
No, feeling, yeah.
feeling?
Stop feeling.
What feeling? The feeling, you know the feeling already. So why are you telling us feeling? Okay, so let's go to artists of the decade.
After the decade, we have Joe Metal and
We have
then
Joe Metal, we have the
No Tribe
4S.
and
No Tribe and then Nassim.
But we have the 4S. Let's not take
Sarkodie, Samini, Shatawale, Stone Boy, Becca, Ifia,
R2B.
R2Bs, Ochame Kwame.
Yeah, that's it.
Yes, and R2Bs.
10 in number.
It will be very difficult. Looking at even what is going
But do
on.
our gospel people have a chance? Nasi, let's have
Oh,
Nasi and No Tribe.
and one thing I keep saying, every nominee is a potential winner. So far as they are there, that means they qualify to be there. So when the board sits, and we should not forget that the board is very friendly to Joe and Nasi as well.
So it will be a tough one for them.
Yes, so there's a possibility. There's a possibility. If it doesn't go to Sarkodie or Samini, it will go to a gospel artist. Because even for them to make it,
Sako or Samini will go to a gospel artist.
Yes.
So who do you think? Nasi or Joe?
it will be very difficult.
Very difficult.
Having the gospel as a third option, it means. But I'll go for Joe.
No, but do you think that there should be another gospel name in that category?
Yeah, I was expecting a female artist.
Ohima Messi. Oh.
Obapa, Ohima, Gift Yosei.
One of them.
Yes.
Oh, okay.
Ohima Messi.
So who would you have taken out and put in there?
What about Joe?
I'll take Becca out
And put like Robert.
Edam-
and put Obapa in.
Okay, Obapa. Okay.
Yes. That one there, I can see it on all.
But about the decade under review,
Uh-huh.
what did she do apart from Shep versus for?
Hey,
Are you saying apart from? Are you saying apart from? No, that is also part of it.
My guy will kill me, yeah? No, about what? No. I have the host.
Everything.
No.
In the last 10 years,
No. When I come to
No, let him finish.
No.
Okay, your name.
So
Okay.
I'm saying that the 10 years under review. Do you think Obapa has done so much? He comes to Ghana, releases a song, promotes it for a while, and goes back.
Obapa
She has done very, very, very
She's
well.
not been outside Ghana in the last 10
Yeah,
years.
she has done very well. Obapa, Ohima Mercy, Gift to say.
Thank you very much.
Joyce is not yet 10 years.
Okay.
I would have wished Joyce blessing because 6 years being in the industry, Joyce has been consistent.
Okay. Thank you very much. Azome. So first of all, who will you take out? And which gospel person will you put in?
Take Becca out.
No, why you influencing?
If I would take anybody out, I would take No Tribe and Nasi out.
Okay. That's a perfect take out. I would have taken it.
Perfect take out. You have
He's speaking my mind.
Okay.
And maybe bring in a Damariku.
Okay. You bring him out of me. Why?
Like you said, this guy even qualifies for a Lifetime Achievement Award.
So
No, but qualify for lifetime doesn't.
he
In
transcends.
the 10 years, how many songs did Odabeku released? How many albums?
Yeah,
How
let's
was his
appeal.
impact?
Well, let's even maintain what is here. As we maintain audience appeal.
Yeah.
2, we are looking at artists who has popularity over the last 10 years. 3, we are looking at an artist that has released a hit single on an album.
Yeah. Another
Within the 10 years.
Okay. Wait. The phone lines have been open. 054-115-9191. 054-115-9191. Hello. Good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Hello. Good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Okay, Kwame.
Yeah.
Your views now.
Okay, so I think that in the last 10
Well,
years...
I've not finished.
Oh,
now.
sorry.
So if all things being equal, looking at the criterion that has been given us, it's difficult for us.
For us.
Very difficult.
For the gospel industry.
Yeah, very difficult.
I mean,
Perfect.
I think that in as much as we think that Joe has done well under the year and the review and then Nasi has also done well. I think that
Okay,
gospel
I
is not...
have someone. Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from?
I'm calling from
Okay. Please, can you reduce the volume of your TV set so we can have a fruitful conversation?
This is that.
Can you reduce the volume of your TV set so we can have a fruitful conversation? It's when you come, you reduce the volume of your TV set so we can have a very fruitful conversation. Come in.
Yeah. So I think that, yes, all the people there, I mean, except 1 or 2 have done well. But with the names gospel submitted, or like the names submitted from the gospel category, makes them a bit vulnerable.
Okay, so I'm coming back. Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Hello, good evening. Okay.
Yeah.
Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Please, when you come in, reduce the volume of your TV set so we can have a fruitful conversation. Yes, reduce the volume of your TV set, please.
Okay, I have done that.
Okay, go ahead, please.
My name is John. I'm
John.
calling from Cheshire, Anglican.
Okay, John, go ahead.
Yes, I just joined your program.
Okay.
Looks like some artists will be awarded for their long term in the industry.
Lifetime achievements, yes.
Yes, but I didn't hear you mentioning.
Okay, Mary Gansa and
Obrafo, who has been in the industry for like 2 decades.
no, please, the names that have come out of Obrafo is not bad, please.
Come again.
The names that have been mentioned to be honored for lifetime achievements, Obrafo is not part.
Obrafo is not part.
Yes, it's Mary Gansa. You're asking why Obrafo is not part.
Yes.
Don't worry. We'll give it to the Cold Facts team. They will discuss that for you. Don't worry. All right. Thank you very much. Come in.
Yes. So I think that, I mean, to be very honest, it will be difficult for either Joe or Nasi to win in this category, in the sense that in times past, you see, let me tell you about the vulnerability of gospel music. gospel in itself is very vulnerable in terms of even airplay and all that.
Yeah.
I mean, like DJs will come on air. The first 15 minutes they will play.
First 5 songs gospel.
Then the rest. So like anytime you see gospel competing with secular, the secular music always has an advantage over the gospel music. And to tell you, if what they mean is or if what they take into consideration is the audience appeal, and there is the Shatawali, and there is the Stone Boy, there is the Samini. My brother know what I'm talking about.
Okay. All right. Okay. So the phone lines are still open. 0541 159 191. I'm going to take a short break. When I come back, I'm going to pick your phone calls. I'm going to take a very, very short break. When I come back, I'll pick your phone calls.
Well, also.
To the CEL show, and the number you can call us on is 054 1159 191. 054 1159 191. Hello, good evening. Your name and where you calling from? Hello, good evening. Your name and where you calling from? Hello, good evening. Your name and where you calling from? Okay, I can't get that clear. So please call us back. Yes. So that's still so they are vulnerable.
So
we can't do anything.
No, I mean like not that we can. Dan will always say. I mean, when it comes to VGMA, anything is possible. Anything at all is possible. And then Dan notwithstanding, Joe is the frontliner in terms of gospel music. I was extremely surprised to have seen Nasi and No
Tribe there.
I mean, forgive me, Nasi, but you know I love you.
Let me bring this up. Hello, good evening. Your name and where you calling from?
Okay, my name is Jay.
Your name is?
Jay. I'm calling from Kaswa.
Okay, Jay, go ahead, please.
Okay, I want to touch on the artist of the decade.
Okay, go ahead, Jay.
Alright, I strongly believe that, okay, when you take into consideration, I think we have Samini of Shame Kwame.
Yeah.
Nasi.
Yeah.
And then a few other.
And Joe Metal.
Joe Metal, yes. I think Samini deserves it.
You think Samini deserves it?
Yes, he has been consistent with
so
back hits and all that.
So you think that you think the gospel guys don't have a chance? You think it's Samini?
Probably next year.
Probably next year. That is what the decade is once every 3 years. Thank you very much, my brother. Jay. Thank you very much.
No, he's saying next year because Yami so no. That back and they feel that crop.
So the next 10 years. But the next 10 years, I guess will be there.
No, but next year could be 10 years in since 2010, right? So next year 2020. So
no, we are looking at VGMA.
You're looking at VGMA.
According to their calendar.
Yes.
So,
hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Hello, good evening. Okay. Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from?
Not on Earth calendar.
Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from?
It's God's calendar.
Reduce the volume of your TV set, my brother.
I'm calling from Ghana.
Yes, my brother. Reduce the volume of your TV set.
He wants to hear himself. He's talking on TV.
Hello?
Please reduce the volume of your TV set. Please, when you call me, reduce the volume of your TV set so we can have a fruitful conversation. Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from?
My name is Nana Kwame. I'm talking from Mali.
Nana Kwame, please go ahead.
Yes, if I do agree with the everything if you go for either Taokodi or Samini, because Samini has been in the game throughout this decade, and Taokodi is performing, he's doing this better.
So you think the gospel guys don't deserve?
Oh, the gospel guys, they did, yes, but those days they were part of a group like No Tribe and all this. So I won't go for them. I think that we should go for either South or Samini.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you very much, my brother. Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Please reduce the volume of your TV set. Hello, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Okay. So come here. Yes.
Okay, so like I was saying, I mean, in as much as we would be happy to see either of the two.
Yeah, good evening. Your name and where you are calling from? Yes, please go ahead. Please reduce the volume of your TV set and keep your baby away so we can have a fruitful conversation.
So Miss Dot.
Yes.
I think that.
Hello, good evening. Okay, we lost that caller.
Okay, so in as much as I would love either of the two to win, I think that the guys from the same
okay, now you said the gospel guy, so who would?
Oh, I mean, they all stand a chance. Okay, Sarkodie, Samini, Shatawali, and all that. But you know, one disadvantage about this category is that if you have, with award schemes, when you have a lot of nominations, you turn up losing everything. you get me?
Hello, good evening. Where you are calling from?
Because your voters may,
my name is John.
Yeah, John.
I'm calling from Texas.
Go ahead, please.
I just want to ask why Obrafour is not part of the decade artist. Because he has been in it for
I
20 years.
I understand, but like
And he's still active.
like I said, we are not discussing.
Obrafour is active. When was the last time you released a hit song?
So
So I just want to know why
no
he's not part of
problem. No problem. After this show, fine. After this show, we'll have a lengthier discussion on this, and we'll look at those who are supposed to be there and not there. You join the code for
So you know the song.
Hello, good evening. I don't know where you're calling from.
I think Charlie did a course episode.
Hello, good evening. I don't know where you're calling. Let me pick my last call. Then I'll come back to my studio. Good evening. I don't know where you're calling from.
Please,
Ernest, please. Yes, Ernest. Yes, Ernest. Your views, please. Go ahead, Ernest. Go ahead, Ernest.
Yeah. Please, I'm going to do that.
Okay. I can't hear you well. Thank you very much. So I'm not picking any other calls again. Let me take my final views from my panel members so we can wrap up for the show. They are all going to the venue. Thank you very much. We can't hear you well, so that's my last caller for the day. So I'll take my final views. I know you all want to go to the venue and join in. Okay, so final views. Dalati.
What I'll say is,
what are you expecting tonight?
Expecting great performances. Having Dana is a great performer. So having her on and then give to her as well. It will be lovely. Yeah, and then also the secular guys perform. All the SSS guys are on.
And the KKs too are on.
And the KKs too are on. So great show. The place looks very beautiful. I'm expecting a great, but people shouldn't go there with high expectation. They might end up getting BP. It has happened to Patience Nyako before.
What happened to Patience?
She went there with high expectations. When she released this song, what's the title?
No, but Obinyani happened to her.
No, but Obinyani was not nominated.
Obinyani
was nominated, but at that time it wasn't too big.
I can't comprehend that Obinyani may never won any award.
No, but it was some Ghana Music Awards UK.
Yeah, local. I can't comprehend.
The Agafest.
Agafest, right? You didn't win it. It's true. Okay, thank you very much. That's your final note.
Yeah.
Okay,
what can I say? Nothing.
Okay, I saw me.
As we are open, we are expecting a great show. As for the numbers, we know VGM has the numbers, so attendance wouldn't be a problem, but crowd control. When I look at the seating arrangement, I saw done with the seating arrangement.
I went there.
It's sad that it's on a flat level, so the moment somebody gets up in front of you, and it's a long hall. So the situations where people who are seated behind will be disconnected from the stage is very high. So that is my only issue with the place. But I'm expecting that, for the group of the year, we have a gospel group, the Better Revival.
We couldn't discuss
We couldn't
it.
So you're expecting that?
I'm expecting that they take that group.
Before you go to
boss,
Nana,
out of.
30 seconds.
The organizers should make sure the security is very tight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Security should be very, very tight too.
Okay.
Very tight.
Okay.
Because it's not going to be easy.
It's not going to be easy.
Yes.
It's going to be a very
Should be
hot night.
This is not
Okay,
even war.
okay, thank you
We are
very
talking
much.
our tent.
Yes. Okay, thank you very much. Kwame, final comment.
The 20 years of Ghana Music Awards. I mean, we've come a very long way. Kudos to Charterhouse. I mean, they've had their ups and downs. They've evolved with time. Like they always keep building up and all that. They keep coming up and all that. And I should say that they need to be commended for
20 years
for 20 years, supporting Ghana music. Exactly. Tonight, I mean, we are going there to have fun. I mean, we're going there to make merry. We're going there for awards and all that. You see, as Christians, we know that we have, like other things too. But once in a while, I mean, there's nothing wrong with we, going to sit with brothers and sisters to enjoy, have fun and all that. Don't say that
together.
because bring bread together, because you're a gospel musician and because you are gospel oriented, you're not going to watch the others. I mean, like, I'm going to be there from the beginning. I'm going to watch the first act to the very last act. If I'm awarded, I mean, fine. I mean, if you're a nominee and you don't win an award, that's never the end. You see, I would have loved that every nominee receives an award, but they said that it is only those who are going to who have money to buy the votes, who are going to be awarded.
Well, not all. There are some categories
That board and academic
public vote.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
And then those.
is not
So-
open for
There's a
votes.
board.
Yes.
Female vocalist, male vocalist,
Yeah,
album of the year,
record
rapper
of
of
the
the
year,
year. Yeah. those-
So that one, it is the prerogative lies on
Board and
Board and
academic.
more than all that. Okay, so yeah. So please tonight, I mean, let's go make
Let's go and make fun.
And
Okay.
if I mean, with gospel, let me say this. With
Say it.
gospel, we don't compete. You get it? We complement each other.
Yeah.
So if Akasa should win, I'm sure that when you're going for the award, I
All
will
the
join
other,
you. If Joe Metal is going to win, I'm sure
All
Kumsi
the other,
will go.
yes.
And if I win, which I'm very so please, I mean,
Make it up. Anybody who wins
let's
the
stop the
gospel
trolling.
award. Yeah.
Let's stop the trolling. Let's stop the, I mean, the.
Sometimes
I
it's
see
really to
what
have
those
some
things.
fun.
Yeah, some fun.
Yeah,
to it.
but
Okay,
I think even
thank you very much.
Even
It's a
the gospel
gospel
fraternity, there's no competition.
There's no-
It's the secular that has a lot of.
Okay, thank you very much. I think this final is Joe and Dinah.
No, but
No. It's not between the artists.
Okay,
Yes.
between their fans.
The fans.
You can't
And
tell.
but with the artists, just look at what is going on between
Yeah.
Stonebwoy, Shatawale, Sarkodie, and Samini.
Yeah.
Even to the extent that insults and all that.
Yeah.
And I don't think any metal fan
So all we're expecting this evening is peace. We're gonna have
Peace
fun.
and love.
Peace and love. Yeah,
Nice
we're gonna
one.
have fun. 20 years of awarding Ghanaian musicians, and we pray the gospel will win big this evening, like we did.
And we come
2
and
years
celebrate
ago.
here.
And we come and celebrate here. And congratulations to all gospel nominees. Akese, Obapa, Joe, Joyce Blessing, Koda, Dynasty Hamilton, Better Revival, all gospel nominees.
And you didn't mention IK Enim because
I'm not done.
No.
Evangelist Ike Enim. So congratulations to all gospel nominees.
Roberto Bobo,
Every
Bobo.
nominee is a winner.
Roberto
But I want to
Bobo
tell
won.
you, I want to tell all of you, and I've been saying it on Facebook. It's gonna be alright. Don't you cry. Don't you cry. Don't you cry if you don't get award.
And
It's
Roberto Bobo,
fine. The main objective is to win. So the award is just a part. So don't you cry if you don't win anything. So I'm going to end. I'm going to sign out with Takesis new song. It's alright. We'll meet next week.
Isn't it obvious?
you are my person watching.